Yo, what's up YouTube? Knowledge for Longevity back at you with another video. And today we're going to talk about passive income. Passive income, passive income, passive income. What is passive income? Passive income is what you use with your money or your time. Like for example, you can buy stocks with your money and they can pay you dividends. And they pay you on a quarterly basis. Every 2 to 3 months, you get dividends from the stock that you buy. Put your money in stocks and they pay you back. So basically what you're doing is buying income. You're buying money. And if I knew this way back then, I would have been rich. And why do you think the rich are rich? Because that's what they do. They buy money. They take their money and keep buying money. The dividends increase over years. Come on, I'm in the video, man. Look, she want to be seen. She oh, so we gonna put her in the video. Go ahead and put you in the video then. Since she want to be, you see it? That's what everybody is on. Everybody is on this passive income, and then you do it for a certain amount of time. It's gonna be to a point you get a certain amount of money that you can live off of. So let's say, for example, right now, if you work in a job and you make $1,500 every 2 weeks. You need $3,000 to live off of. If you invest a certain amount of money in your investments, and now some of your investments is paying you almost $3,000 a month. Now you see that can almost replace your job, but that's gonna take a long time to do. So I'm not even gonna talk about that. Like I said, you're gonna need almost, like I say, 100,000 to do that. Basically, because basically you need almost a salary right now, at least 50. Depends on what investment you invest your money in, but that's what everybody is doing. They putting their money in these investments, and the investment is paying them back. So that's what we're talking about as far as passive income. And like I said, you could do that with your money. And another thing too, you could do it with your time, which is creating things, creating online businesses, creating these basically businesses. You buy these products and people buy them basically online. You'll be doing something else and people buy products online. You be like, oh my God. Yeah. I'll be working my job and people be buying stuff online from Florida, California, New York, and all I gotta do is just ship it. You can create digital products. And this is the YouTube channel you can visit. It's called Wholesale Ted, and it will teach you how to make passive income online. Online businesses on Etsy, digital products, t-shirts, all that good stuff. So don't say I ain't show you, and don't say I ain't tell you. So visit this YouTube channel. I might put the link in the bio for you. Visit this YouTube channel. They'll teach you everything you need to know how to make passive income online. Talk to you later.